Hi, I'm Dr. Simarpreet Kaur, holistic nutritionist. Welcome to my channel. Always remember that no other area of national health probably is as abused by deception and misinformation as nutrition. Many transvestites cheat the public of enormous sums of money and good health as well. When it comes to the critical life altering decision, you need to trust your holistic nutritionist. My goal is to present you with the result of latest nutrition and health research presented in a way easier to understand. I believe that the significant part of the problem is that individuals who want to make correct dietary choices for themselves or for the family are faced with deluge of confusing and conflicting nutritional advice. Get ready. I'm committed to make good food easier to find, easier to share, easier to enjoy. Decode obesity. The question is, what do you do when you are stressed, bored, emotional, or having fun? Answer is eat, and here is the solution to it. Problem is not the lack of the knowledge. You probably know what to do. Best thing you can do is to master the chaos within you. That you can do so easily, just wall off your calories. Diet program is not in fire that you feel you're thrown into. The fire is within yourself. Actually, by utilizing that fire, you can kick off the fat from your body. You don't have to compromise on your health to lose weight or to your lifespan. In fact, it's quite opposite. Eat your way to health. As you're seeing these pictures, these are the food items you can inculcate to lose weight. Patients who join my weight loss program enjoy the delicacies and sweet items too. Your food choices can make you lose weight as well as reverse your diseases. That you can do by just changing your food style. Food style change is often more effective in reducing rate of heart disease, hypertension, obesity, stroke, cancer, inflammation, diabetes, Crohn's disease, irritable bowel syndrome, rheumatoid arthritis, premature death than almost any medical intervention. To give an example, I reversed my inflammation by eating plant-based diet. Very important thought that cannot be ignored. If you eat good, you will feel good. In these pictures, you must have realized by now that I'm in favor of using white butter. Eating oil is basically a hypercaloric malnutrition. I'm not being dogmatic with my approach. Definitely, oil is a hypercaloric dense food, and if you want to reverse heart disease, then definitely you need to do oil free cooking. Definitely, for the weight loss, you can utilize white butter for your cooking or unsalted butter. To accept the change in your food style, definitely you can reverse the diseases. First major change, add more greens to your food. Whatever vegetables you can find in green in color, inculcate in your diet. No one has ever become fat by eating a kale. It is a moment towards new consciousness. Second change, use only 1 spoon of white butter while cooking a dish. Use appam pan to make these balls than deep frying or air fryer. Third trick, 1 spoon of butter per meal. So, don't use while cooking, so you can have your butter toast or parantha butter also. Fourth trick, pizza base should be made of vegetables, not flour based. First thought that comes in mind, it's hard, I can't do it. Remember, you just a decision away to start something towards better health. Fifth trick, surprise seeing the cake, it's a flourless cake, a high protein cake. Not keto, but a very sensible way to enjoy your sweets and lose weight. Sixth trick, I don't use sugar, indeed, I use dates instead of that. Seventh trick, don't use dairy cheese, instead, use a vegan cheese. Do it without any excuse. Bring out the champion within you. There's no tomorrow, there's no later. Unlock yourself today. Eighth trick, add pickled vegetables into your delicacies. Ninth trick, try cooking food at home, indeed home cooked food, because it will be preservative free, stabilizer free and ingredient control. 10th trick, don't buy sauces from outside, prepare fresh sauce at home. Sauce you prepare, avoid using any oil or any fat while cooking. Can't control what happens in life, but definitely you can control what you put in your mouth, fewer calories. 11th trick, add more fiber. Simple way of adding fiber, legumes, lentils, pulses and beans. Make you full, great satiety, convenient for busy lifestyles. You can convert your chickpeas to the bread also. Don't underestimate the power of consistency and desire. 12th trick, add herbs to your diet. There's an African proverb that reads, when there is no enemy within, the enemy outside can do no harm. When you refuse to allow any doubts in your mind, then no doubts from others will cloud your judgment. 13th trick, it's not less than a discovery, it will transform you. Portion control. These changes will bring behavior changes that will bring positivity. Begin a fit and healthy life, both mentally and physically, where each day is lived fully with love and energy. 14th trick, add black coffee, black tea to your diet. 15th trick, use nut paste than using outside dressing. 16th trick, no dairy, use almond milk homemade. These are few optimal criteria enable weight loss while considering how these foods actually affect your health and longevity. The best project you will ever work is on your own self. In the end, it's not the years in your life that count, it's the life in your years. Thank you for watching the video. If you like my video, do give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. For the weight loss, the details are in the description box.